Ayan, papunta kami ng Coastal Road ng Talomo, Davao City. Maligo kami doon at saka i-update namin kayo kung ano ng update sa Coastal Road ng Davao.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa sa aming bagong Coastal Road. So maliligo kami dito. Yan, i-update ko kayo sa sa aming bagong Coastal Road. Maliligo kami doon sa ilalim ng tulay guys. Natakot naman ang tulay dito. Yan yung baby ko. At si RR.
Dito.
Ayan guys, dito naman tayo sa tabok. Hi baby. Ay wow. So ayan guys. Maliligo kami dito guys sa ilalim ng tulay ng bagong Coastal Road guys. Ay wow. Sige, ligo mo doon yung
ayan. Ang lalim, oy, ang lalim dyan, oh. So ayan.
Ay wow.
Shark will eat you, Dad.
There's no shark here.
Shark will eat you, Dad. Ayan, dito na kami. Oh, ayan.
Hi mga kalalab. Say hi baby to the camera. Say hi first.
Hi.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, push it.
What?
Dangerous. Water is dangerous.
It's so dangerous?
Yeah, dangerous.
Mommy, careful because baby said it's so dangerous.
Yeah.
It's so very slippery, mommy, the stone.
No,
So very slippery.
no, in the water? Yeah.
Look at me swim. Right here. See, right? Take a flower. You want Shaggy to eat you?
No, no.
I will give you to the Shaggy because the Shaggy is hungry.
My daddy.
Yeah, I will tell the Shaggy. Stop, eat my baby girl.
No,
Because
no.
it's hungry.
No, this one.
Here, eat my baby dog, eat my baby. Alam mo, gula mo, nagugot ko sa bata. Ilay pa lang ito. I will throw you to the side. What the noise? That is the airplane. No! Hi, airplane! Are you scared? Are you afraid of the noise?
Ayan, tapos na kami maghumul-humol.
Lakat-lakat muna kami
Tapos na kami magbabad. Ayan, slowly.
Maglakad-lakad muna kami doon sa Coastal Road, guys. Yun, nagbabad lang kami sandali kasi yung baby namin gusto maligo.
Bye. Bye, shark.
Bye, sharks.
Bye, shark.
Bye-bye, shark.
Ayan, guys. Ililibot muna kayo namin sa aming bagong Coastal Road, pero hindi pa ito tapos, guys. Kaya hindi pa open sa public daanan kasi hindi pa siya totally talaga na tapos na ang Coastal Road, pero nasa mga 90% plus na daw, so malapit na. So ililibot muna namin kayo, guys. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Medyo malapit lang kasi sa bahay namin. Puntahan ko yung guys, yung playground. So ayan guys, uuwi na kami. So yun lang. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Uwi na
Bye-bye.
kami.